I'm a daughter. I'm a sister.
I'm a friend.
I'm a mother.
I'm a wife.
I am a dancer.
I'm a social worker.
I'm a gardener.
But also I'm a team leader.
But I'm also a project head.
And I am a team member. I'm a colleague.
A valuable employee.
These are different titles that I carry, but I am a woman is what makes me unique.
When a girl is born, there are certain things that are, told by the society that you have to do this. There is no escape from that. So we have to do all those responsibilities, and then we have to go out and achieve our dreams.
Women are always multitasking. They have been multitasking. Now it's just we are getting the chance to come out of our home and from the so-called defined zone for women.
For me personally, career is not an option. I do not see that whether or not I'll have a professional journey or not. It's a given. It's a very much integral part of my life.
We've all learned to multitask in managing significant personal responsibilities along with doing justice to our professional deliverables.
Women empowerment to me is giving us right environment, right skills, have faith in us. We want to do what we want to do, not what you want us to do.
Never bring gender into work because that's where empowerment really goes out of the window.
Women empowerment to me is a space or an environment wherein we do not have to talk about empowering women, as today we do not talk about empowering men.
It's not just about economical empowerment, it's more than that.
It means independence to do whatever we want to do. So whether we want to be homemaker or need to be in a corporate culture, it's our decision.
It's very simple. It's like speaking your voice out. And more important, you hear the voices of the women when they say something silently, also when they say it with words.
According to me, women are playing a more assertive role in the last many years now. The patriarchal mindset though still exists, but women are breaking the mold and reshaping it.
Women have acquired many good position, leadership roles in private sectors, public sectors. They are flying a plane right now. I mean, they are doing whatever you name it and they are there.
If in case you are limiting yourself, if it is there in your mind that you cannot do it, this is the only scenario that you would not be able to acquire that position. If you think that you can, you will be able to.
The SAR ecosystem has begun to attract women as key contributors and bringing in a key element of diversity. Honestly, it's been a conscious effort now from being a male-dominant organization to be more and more inclusive of women playing key roles. I am one such example.
The SAR ecosystem is really good in terms of empowering women or acknowledging women's contribution.
SAR group is very supportive for women to grow further, as I can establish this fact through my own experience.
I have been fortunate enough to work in an organization who has given a lot of importance to my personal life, my personal commitments, and at the same time a family, a setup where my work and what I do is given equal importance.
I have been given roles over here which are impactful, which are responsible, which requires the abilities of a leader to proceed with. So I just feel grateful to be a part of this organization.
When I entered this organization, I got so much to do here that I had never thought in last 14 years that I will move out of this group. I have grown as far as the professional career is concerned, and I also have grown personally.
Today we celebrate phenomenal women. Each one of you there without a doubt is one of them.
We think somebody should give us opportunity, but why? The sky is all ours.
If you will give wings to a woman, they will come up with flying colors.
Nothing is impossible in this world. You should always keep trying.
Inspire and empower the women around you, because change really starts around us and through each woman helping another woman out.
I'm a woman and I can be anything I want to be.
And I can be what I want to be.
And I can be what I want to.
Whatever I want to be, I can be.
Being a woman is what inspires me every single day, every minute.